Hi, I'm Evan Aidman, and I'm going to discuss how medical bills get paid in this video. If it's a slip and fall kind of case or any other kind of premises liability case, it's fairly straightforward. You go to your health insurance company and have them pay the medical bills, and then the health insurance company attempts to subrogate or get their money back from the negligent party's insurance company. And the one thing that's kind of complicating for that, though, is sometimes in premises liability cases there are med pay provisions. So, for example, if a person has an accident on somebody's property, a house, for example, there may be $1,000 med pay in the homeowner's insurance, and that would pay first. And then once that's exhausted, then the plaintiff would go back to their health insurance company to pay for the medical bills. And then there would be the subrogation. If there is no health insurance, then you would have to pay the medical bills out of the settlement of the case, and the lawyer will usually find a way to get the doctors to compromise so that you don't end up having to pay so much money out of settlement. Car accident cases are very much the same, although there may be statutes, as there is in Pennsylvania, that limit subrogation. So in many cases where a health insurance company pays medical bills on an auto accident, there will be no subrogation allowed. So the first place you go in auto accidents is to the PIP coverage, to the coverage on the auto that the person was in. And then when that's exhausted, you go to the health insurance, and the health insurance company may not have subrogation rights because of the statute. But if it's, for example, an ERISA plan, then even with the statute, there may be subrogation rights. So as you are beginning to see, it's very complicated. And it gets much more complicated when you get into questions of Medicare and Medicaid. Not an easy area of the law. It's an area that lawyers have been practicing for many, many years, struggle to master. But that's kind of a primer on how medical bills get paid in personal injury cases. Any questions, give me a call or send me an email.